Now me and my wife and my brother Joe are back home safe in San Pedro. My car's wore out and my gas is low, and my doggone Ford just barely goes. One carburetor leaks and the other's stuck. The overdrive slip, that's just my luck. My oil is dripping from a busted crankcase, and the motor is ready to drop out of place. The top is tore and it sure does leak. The springs are sticking up through the seat. The cold wind blew and chilled my bride, and I raced to Mercury side by side. Smoked like an old diesel truck, but I still made it home, though I guess it was luck. My bearings were busted, my radiator too, and my fan belt broke right half in two. My brother's still pale, my wife's still sick, and all I have left is a worn out wreck. But I ain't gonna worry, cause of what the heck, I raced to Mercury neck to neck. Ford's a good car and mighty fast too, but this one shot and there's nothing to do. So I thought it over, and here's what I'll do. I'll trade it off for something new. The guy that gets it's gonna be sore, cause he's getting gypped from door to door. But why should I wear it, cause what the heck, I raced to Mercury neck to neck. Race, and I remember the day that me and that Mercury went out to play. But there's one thing more I'd like to say before I go along my way. No matter how smart you think you are and just how fast you race your car, there's one kind of race that just won't pay. That's racing with a kid in a hopped up Model A.